Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so can everybody is able to see the message that I sent right now?
Yes, ma'am. See.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
this should be the format, and you have to give all the details of your projects, the mini projects and the major project, to this mail, hr@gncipl.com. And do mention your report file also over there. So it would be good if you give the deployed links of all the mini projects as well. But still, I would say that week 4 and week 5 should be the deployed link only. Or otherwise, for week 1, week 2, week 3, you can share your GitHub repository link also. Is it clear?
Ma'am, for those week we have a deployed link, then we don't need to add the GitHub, na?
No, just share your deployed links.
Okay, ma'am.
At least you
Ma'am,
can, since week 1, week 2, yes.
ma'am, week 5 and week 6 only deployed link, no?
Week 4, week 5, and week 6. See,
Okay,
week
3.
1, week 2, and week 3, they were static, and I guess at least you can deploy those projects on the front Vercel or Netlify, because that is easier part. Like week 1 is the static project only, you can deploy that. It is very easy. So try to deploy your projects and then share your deployed link only. But otherwise also you can share your GitHub repositories, no problem.
Ma'am, does we need to update that Google form also?
Yes, do update that one also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Kanika? Okay, I will repeat just a minute. Group 1 members are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everyone is here. Just a
Yes.
minute. Let me open the. Okay, Archana, Oves, Bhanu, Sumit, Gaurav, and Virendra. Could you all raise your hand? Fine, good. So for you all can now start. You can now unraise your hand. Okay, for the latecomers, I will repeat. I have sent a message in the chat box where you have to this should be the format. You have to give all the details of your mini projects as well as the major project to this mail, which is hr@gncipl.com, where you will be your projects will be checked. It would be good if you deploy all your mini projects and then share the links. Otherwise, you can share your GitHub repository also. But week 4, week 5, and week 6 links should be deployed links only. And for the week 1 to week 3 can be your GitHub repository link also. And this should be for every member of your group. Like group 1 is going to present their project. Afterwards, group 1, everyone, I would want all of you to just send this message to the mail and show me here only that you have sent it. Then I will write mention your name for yours. Like it will, then you will be eligible for your certification there. Okay, so group 1, you can now start. Other
Okay, ma'am.
group members who are present in this meet, first send this mail so that when you will be presenting your project, you can show me that you have already done this part. So it would be good if you send this mail right now and here. Okay, group 1, you can now start.
Okay, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. Now my screen is visible and voice is coming.
Yes, your voice is also clear and your screen is visible.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. I am Sumit Devatar, along with my team members Gaurav Kumar, Obesari, Bhanu Kumar Pratap, and Virinder Pal, and Archana. We are excited to present the final major project on the ongoing internship, and our project is based on the Matty AI design. It is basically our Canvas editor page where a user can create, delete, and update a banner, a poster, or any other social media logo, which another software can cost so much money. And this is totally user-friendly interface and very useful for the users to create any type of posters and other things. So before starting, now we go to the main part, the our project. The project is now this is a landing page. Our project Matty A design. This is for this part is taught by my study partner Overstudy. So now over to Overstudy. So explain this part. Always over to you. Always Arlene meeting. Ma'am, I think always. Always. Wait, ma'am. I have some error. Ma'am, some network issue from the OBS side. This part is done by the
Yes, I guess
OBS.
so. Ovis is here in this meet. I can see.
OBS. So just I will explain the landing page now. So I hope some network issue from their side. This is our home page of MATI. The
Am I audible,
basically
ma'am?
the OS has come.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, OS, you are audible. Please start.
Ma'am, at first we have the logo and name of the site, Betty, and the navigation for login, editor, template, and to start the designing. Then we have the short description of the project. After that, we have two buttons for the designing and for to watch demo. Then we have a sample template. Then we have the sample template. Uh, right now we have listed 4 template, but you can see more when you click on the view all template. Then again we have the he again asks the user if he wants if uh, want to design the or to watch the demo. In footer we have in footer we have the navigation bar and the details of the project. Sumit, open the code part. When we have imported the UI component. After that, we have list of feature and template. We have list of feature and template. Then we have a short description of our site with 2 main button, one for the canvas and one for the demo. After that, the in the feature section containing feature title and its descriptions. After that, we have the hero section, which show the description of the site. Then again we have the feature section, which is it is for the designing. the one which is before, which show the uh, description of the feature, but it is for the designing. Scroll, scroll. In last, we have the footer section, in which we have the navigation links and the details of the company. The next part is we have to log in or sign up, for which
Now, Virender will explain the login and the uh, registration page. Go to Virender.
Good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
Viren.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is our registration page. When I click on registration page, our registration form is opened, and when I click any randomly username like Virendra, and I entered any email address like the official email ID which I use, and I give a password. After that, I click on create account. Then a pop-up notification of registration is successful, and the email ID is registered on MongoDB. And in the login page, when I entered the same email ID and enter the same password and click on login button, then a pop-up notification of login is successful. And then when I click on logout button, then I will be logged out from this page, and I can log in with continue with Google option also. Pop-up option of login successful. When someone is login on their account, in that case also only he can uh, do something and create his templates and edit his homepage or whatever he wants to edit. I'm talking about my code. So this is my registration page, and in this registration page I have created two div bars. In the first div bar I have created the image, and in the other div bar hold the code for create an account and everything. In the same way, login page is also. In the login page, it is also of the same code, like a main div bar, and inside this div bar there are two div bars. In the first div bar I have used image, and in the another div bar all the code for welcome back and please sign in your account and everything. That's all.
Now Archana
After
will
me,
take to a dashboard.
yes.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to present the dashboard part. So this is the dashboard we have created. So when a user wants to create a new design, he just clicks
Archana,
the,
your screen is not visible.
sorry ma'am, 1 second. Yes, ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Sorry for that. So this is the dashboard page. When the user wants to create a new design, he just clicks the icon to create a new design. So we can import the images from the local storage. So I'm just importing an image. We can adjust the size and the things we want to. So I'm just also adding a text. So I'm just saving the banner I've created. This giving the header. It gets stored into the recent designs. So if the user wants to browse a new templates, he or they can browse from the templates. So then we can also edit or delete the designs we have created. So I'm just editing something here, adding part, saving that. It just gets override the previous code. If wants to delete, we can also delete. It shows for the message like, are you sure you want to delete? So I'm just deleting it. The recent designs get deleted. Now we'll just see the code for it. So this is the code for the dashboard. So I am importing the React from the to use the JSX. So use navigate helps to navigate between the pages. Use dot. So it checks whether the verified user is using the website. Toast is used to show the pop-up messages like successful deletion, login successful. So these are the SVG components for the website. This is the Matty logo, that is the main app logo. So this is the editor icon, that is the when a user, this is the icon for the designing new template. This is the template icon, and then this is the icon for the delete option, and this is the code for the edit icon. So now we'll just see the dashboard main the code. So it helps use the um, whether this correct user is using the website. It is used to update the user profile. These are the designs that user have created, and if a user wants to delete, they can delete through delete design. So it use navigate helps to navigate from the pages. Handle logout function, it is used to delete the it is used to log out from the website. Handle delete, where if a user wants to delete the design they have created, when the icon is the clicked, it shows the message that are you sure you want to delete this design. If a user user hits OK, then the design gets deleted. If there are no designs that are present, it shows a message as failed to delete, else the design is deleted successfully. So this is the user profile. It shows the in the dashboard page, shows a message like welcome with the username, and then the for the profile section, that is like, for this part, if there is a profile picture for the user, it shows the profile picture in this place. If not, the first letter of the username will be the profile. So this part belongs to that. This will be the main content, that is the welcome user. If a user wants to create the new design, this part will belongs to that. If you So this is for browsing the templates. So this will be the recent designs that the user has created. If there are no recent designs, it shows a message like do you want to create a new design. So this is from my side. Now I'll just forward to the next person.
Now Bhanu will explain the editor part.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes, Bhanu.
Yes, ma'am. This is the edited part. After login, we will be able to uh, enter the editor page. Here, first in this shape, there are shapes, rectangle, circle, triangle, and eclipse. Uh, we can, we will show this in screen. Which shapes are being displayed on the screen. We can resize them as well as uh, delete them. And then there is the text option which where we can type anything. Here it shows that we can also change the font fonts, uh, like here Times New Roman, and if we type something, it will be shown in the Times New Roman script. Then there we can also bold it and underline it. We can also change the color of the text. Then there is the image section from where we can take images from gallery and post it into our page. We can also resize the page, and uh, we can also scroll it here. Then we can also save it. It will save into our backend, into the our database. And here I type something to save it. Now it has been saved into the dashboard. We can also edit it and change the things we want to edit into it, like adding a circle or something like this. And now I will like to uh, send it to my friend, my colleague. Now, wait a second. I will explain my code here a little bit. First, there are imports. All the important components are being imported here, like Fabric.js, Lucid React, and button and cards. Then there is the state and reference part, where Fabric canvas reference, image input, design ID, navigation, and design update designs are being added. Then there is canvas initialization, uh, where we will initialize the canvas and use effects of it. That here fabric.js canvas setup, a new fabric canvas.js instance will be created in the use effect hook, which initializes the drawing area. And then we will load existing design. If a design exists, it tries to load the design from either the context, or it will take use get request from backend, then clean up on component an amount. It will avoid memory leaks. And then there is adding shape function, which will add shapes like rectangle, circle, or uh, other shapes. And then it is add text, where we will add text.
Then handling images, where images will be uploaded. Then we will go to the save function. Here it will interact with backend to uh, save our can file made using post or put request. It will be sent to backend. Then the UI elements. Left toolbar will be containing UI elements such as shapes, text button, images, and such options. Then there are toast notifications to notify the user various actions like have been successfully performed. And that is all, man. I would like to send to my friend Sumit here.
Now we start with the now backend part. The front-end part is now completely done. Now the main thing is the backend part. So I will tell you the backend part. In the backend part, we have two models, design and user.js. And in the index.js, we have the MongoDB connection and the set of the server. So start with the designs.js, the model. Where simply a user ID, title, a JSON data where the data of the user have to store HURL for the Amazon AWS, where the users data is stored in AWS, a thumbnail URL, a URL that simply store the URL of the AWS, which can user save a design. So you can say and timestamp for update and created. And user dossier, the Firebase ID, it is for the Firebase authentication ID that the user is authenticated right name or not, the username, email, and password. This is the design part. Now, in the routes, we have auth.js, where simply we have the Firebase for the authentication and the user from the model part. Then we have a token part for the verification for the Firebase, and they also authentication with the MongoDB address. We are in the verified token.js. So first we start with auth.js. This is for the Firebase ID token. If the token is not present, simply say no token. If they have a token and they verify, they simply say if the token is invalid, they have decoded, just simply say invalid token. If they are synced and the verified token and file one event all are same and uh, all are same and right, then simply user just save and is await because you can't wait for the next process to be wait. And simply if there's a and simply the profile for protected route and data. And the verify in the middleware is for the MongoDB address, where Firebase ID is also required, and the verified token, the simplify. These IDs come from the Firebase for the decoding part, and if there is no token, simply total invalid, and the rest of the part is done by the auth.js. And if the verification part is done, then design.js, the routes of design.js and the third operation are done in this file. They all in this we use AWS and the Firebase. And simply this is function for the upload the images the design have created by the user. Go to the AWS bucket. Mainly this work is done by the Gaurav. I have just coded some part. Replace all the images if the existing user updated or anything. This for function. It is for the function for upload new design. If the user created a new design, to simply upload this design. If image, name, and data, all things are required for the name. Then title, the JSON data, and the user ID, all things this are coming for them. So the rest, this route is for the getting all the design on the user dashboard or the in AWS. For a single design, you can simply paste the ID and you from the parameter ID they find the email and the ID. If they match it, just simply give the design of you. For the particularly for the update design, if they want to design the existing design, they can use simply ID and then update the URL by replace base for sorry for the image and they start with data.image. If the design find and one update, the functionality to find and update the functionality, and the lastly the delete design button for the deletion. Then index.js file is simply for .env for the configuration of .env file, mongoose for connecting the database source to the content, and the path file for the giving a path for the images to be uploaded in the design. This is for the middleware part, that connection and the size of the images can be done here. Then the approach file, and this is a Mongo DB connection, and the routes simply Mongo URA and the compass, or you can use access according to you, and simply app.the for the response. That's all for my side. Now the last part is done by my colleague. Now forward it to Gaurav to explain the next part.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Sumit. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. My screen is visible, ma'am. Hello.
Just a minute. It is black right now.
Uh, I'm again she. See, ma'am, my screen.
For me, it is black only. Yes, now it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. First is a totally design meta type. Like you also use like login register. First you can go login, and my friends is also tell about go to authentication part, and then mail password and there. And my part is backend like app.js. Like I'm going to connect on a Firebase authentication, like use to Firebase because to like a safe email, safe path, and safe any given a data inside a Firebase. And this code is to connect to my Firebase. And this is AWS part. AWS is three. It's a key and key parts. They are how to connect to AWS is three. Again, backend part, how to authenticate like a project ID, private key ID, private keys, client email, client ID, auth, and some there like a token, clients, and every like authentication part has been there, put in there, and test part. Go to how to test like my feed is coming, yeah, not coming. Like I upload in AWS, but he still say we are not safe. Then it's part be done. Like this file is my env file and backend file, and this is my front-end env file. Just I'm going to go to like first of all go to register. Is successfully logging and go to create anything like I'm going to create any circle part, this part, like anything I can go to save. That is export. Like you can go to on desktop, like on screen, like on ground. You can on using a PC and go to easy to download in your workspace and work in your on storage. You can go to see direct to download their export and go to save there like anything two times because I'm saying the two times there. This is the saving save this my storage there. I'm going to export their list screen and saved it. Same name. Yeah, that's it. And just I'm say like first I'm going to like how many student has been logging in Firebase, like how many student can log in and register there in app. That's a many students like that. Virender, Archana, like anyone has been there, Sumit, GK. It's just save their authentication in Firebase and go to like AWS was to save their image. Like I create a Medi user data and go to design. Like just I'm uploading there. Go to click the link is there. It's save in AWS database. And like my colleagues has been also create some pages there in on email like this. That is like authentication part there. Any questions there, ma'am?
Okay. So it is a very good presentation as well as you all have done very good job. As I can see that the project includes all the features that were mentioned in that PDF. Good job.
Yes, ma'am. Like my colleagues Archana has been also done their video part. I forward to Archana. Archana, please share this video.
So this is the report we have created. This is the main cover page, certificate page, acknowledgement, declaration part. This is abstract of the project.
Okay, I will review your project. Just send me your project file, and then I will let you know if any changes need to be made. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you all first do one thing. Send that mail that I told you to hr@gncipl.com, and one by one show me. So first of all, I will take the presentation of group 2, and then I will ask all of you to show whether you have sent the mail or not. Okay.
Okay.
And do send me this report file and the deployed links of your uh, this major project. Have you deployed this project?
Ma'am, backend is deployed, but frontend is remaining.
So deploy your front end also and then share me the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Today has been
Tomorrow we are.
possible.
Yeah.
Today as
Yes.
possible there.
Okay. So group 2 is here.
Yes, ma'am, we are here. Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. We are the members of Group 2. I am Kanika Tomar, joined by Shad Anwar, Mohammad Salman, Rahul Rawat, Devendra Singh, and Satyam Tripathi. And today we will be presenting our project that is Global Connect, a professional networking platform. Now I will ask one of us, our teammate Satyam Tripathi, to show us a live demo.
Good evening, ma'am. First, let me show you the website first, and then we will move to the coding part. So, this is our home page. Like we have added some static things, and in this job section, we have also implemented the backend part that fetching those jobs which are been posted by our recruiters are there, and we have also implemented the paginations so we can get all the jobs one by one, and these are the some features that we have, and it is basically a home page. And now let me log in first as a, if we have a two phase, like as a job seeker and as a recruiter. Let me log in as a user so I can just show you what we have. Uh, After login, we have a dashboard page where we are getting loading. These are the profile bar, and since I have already got a message, and first I have to show you the feed part where I can like post or post with the something. And yeah, this I have already posted. So we have also the like feature and comment feature working there on the feed bar. Like this, everyone can comment this on this post. Okay, and we also have a feature to like add video and like images. For now, videos and images have been storing on the like Cloudinary, and now moving to the job part, we are showing the jobs like whatever been posted from the recruiter, and we have also added a pagination here, so we can like get the six job first, and then we can fetch other six job. And now we can like apply, click on apply now button so that we can apply on the any particular job, and it will get submitted to the recruiter phase. Here we can like get the message part. We have been there is a person Akhil have been messaged me, so I can like just reply, hello man. So we can like it's working fine. On the end of the Akhil, we have he has also got the notification with the message bar one, and here we can like request the connections to build like we have three connections like Kanika, Akhil, and Saad. And like in the people you may know, you get all the datas of like whatever the connections we have. We can like just connect simply, and like connect, then the connection request has been sent, and after the request has been accepted by Salman, then we will get into the people my people, and we will just message to each other. Here we have a profile sections. We can like just change photos and all, and we can edit the profile sections whatever we can put on. And these are the skill sections, and for the resume purpose we have tried to deploy it on like Cloudinary, but there's some issue, so we are handling in the local storage for now. And now let me move to the recruiter part. And in the recruiter sections, whatever the job has been applied by a people will be shown here. Like they have been, Jetfold is a company who have posted a total job of six, where he has got a four applications and one pending review. Already he has been accepted two of the jobs and rejected one, and there is a one pending option also. These are the recent jobs which he has been posted, and he also get the number of applicant on the particular jobs also. And these are the recent applications which have been applied by Satyam. And now we have also like manage job where we can see all the jobs here, and like we can deactivate the job so that we can like if already the things have been done through that job, then also when he need required to activate it, he can activate that job. These are the add job form where people can like add the particular job which has been going to shown on the user sides. And this is the view application page where a person like get see the resume also. Like this, he can see the resume too, and he has an option for accepting or rejecting the jobs. And these are the profile of a company where user can like add on their profile features. So that's all from the website part. And now I just ask Salman to present the code, start the coding part. Salman.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You
Hello.
can start.
Yes. So basically, first I want to share my screen. Let me share. Okay. Is my screen is visible? Hello.
Yes, Salman, it's visible. Now you can explain.
So basically, I have worked on front page, ma'am. This is our home page, and I have worked on first page. That is here we can see this is navbar, and where we can see futures, jobs, and how it works, and review, and login and sign ins. And after that, this is a hero hero page, and here we have added joined global connects and explored futures wares. And after that, we have provided futures job opportunities, and here we can see latest jobs on our first page, and here we can also see this is a stats use that is after clicking on that we can see also these workings, and last how it works after, and start first. If we start click on a login button, then it will open a login form, and then and this is our first page, and let me show our code sides.
Salman, I
So
think
here,
your screen. Okay, fine, fine.
okay,
Continue,
is
just
okay, ma'am.
continue. Yes, yes.
Okay, so basically this is a navbar's coding codes, and here we have added constant neighbors, and this is basically works as a neighbor provide navigations across sections, and pages support a smooth scrollings, and and adopt for desktops and mobile views. Here mobile close menu and handle brand click scroll on tops, and also toggle mobile menu and navigation links desktop that is hidden, and auth buttons desktop, and mobile menu buttons last. And after I have added loggings as pinnings. Here we can see after clicking on the opens that will spins, and then after it will opens and show us jobs, and then features. I have added features professional netwings, and then skills, that it's after in footers I have added this is platforms links and company links, in which we can connect companies after linking to it, and supports links, and after button bars. That is a, and how it works. Basically, first we have to create profiles, and then connect to networks and engage to shares, then discover opportunities. And after that I have added steps under icon and contents, and last CTS sections. Then after testimonials files. Here we can add profiles of names and roles, and also testimonials to add a relation between and carriers. So, and last, this is a testimonial kits and ratings and user info, and that's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
That was
Now
my thoughts.
now okay, Salman. Now Devendra will explain the auth selections part.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
And good evening, all my dear friends. Ma'am, I can explain my part.
Devendra, your voice is too low.
I will share my screen. My screen is visible.
Your voice is too low, Devendra. Is it for everybody?
Yes, ma'am. My screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible, Devendra.
Now I can explain my part of like firstly.
Devendra, your voice is too low.
Hello, I am audible.
Yes, now you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Now I can now I can explain. I can give a short overview of my project. Like this is my project. 1 minute. Hmm. Now, ma'am, I can create a global content job portal platform.
You have
The job.
stopped your sharing. Your screen is not visible.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Now I can
Just a
explain
minute. Right
my
now it is black.
1 minute, ma'am. Share my screen. Hello. Hello.
Yes, now it is visible, Devendra.
Now I can explain my project and I can give a short overview in my project like global content. It is a modern and dual role job portal platform that serves both job seekers and recruiters with separate talent experience. The platform is built using React.js and a clean professional UI and robust authentication system. Ma'am, after we can sign up, then this page is open. I can create a job seeker and recruiter part. The target user, their journeys like job seekers and recruiters. Job seeker part contain the main purpose of this part. I can create the find job, building profiles, and connect with employers, and it includes different type of features like job browsing, application, networking, and messaging. And it considers there are different type of files like user login files, user sign up files, and user dashboard files. After I can sign up for this page. If we have an already account, then we can click already have an account. This and now I can create the sign up to your account this page, and we can enter our email and password like and then we move in our next page like there. 1 minute, ma'am. Mm, yes. Then we move the it in this page, and if I can create the recruiters part, then it can the main purpose of this part is post job and find talents management applications like, and it contains different type of features like job management, candidate screening, and companies profiling, and and the recruiter part contain different type files like recruiter file login and recruiter dashboards and recruiter sign up for files, and uh, and I can also provide the different type of authentication systems like dual role authentication system, then like dual role authentication system, dual sorry separate login and sign up for user and recruiters, role based routing and access control, and this part contain
the session management with tokens based authentication and automatic redirection based on the user's type. And now we will uh, mm, 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 Now, explain about the UI and UX designing. I can provide the gradient background like a professional blue to tail gradient, and it is a responsive design for mobile. First approach, I can provide the like working on mobile, just like this. Ma'am, this website is also works on mobile and it is a fully responsive website and consisting branding, color coding, and I can provide blue for users and tail for recruiters like this blue for users and tail for recruiters. And now we will explain now I am explain components of breakdown like authentication system. Ma'am, it entry point authentication system is entry point. But first like role selection gateway and beautiful cards based interface and clean value proposition for each roles and user authentication flow login and user sign up page and for validation with real time error handling like password visibility toggle and existing sessions detection with warning message and session detection warning. If we can fill wrong email or wrong password, then it also provide the then it also provide the warning message, auto redirect to approach dashboard and recruiter authentication flow, recruiter login page and login file and recruiter sign up file and company specify field like company name, industries and industry drop down with there are different type of options provided and user dashboard. User dashboard. One minute, ma'am. I can provide a code. This I can make this and user user dashboard. 1 minute. Sorry. This is my user dashboard code, and in this code, I can provide the job seeker hub like tab-based navigations and feed
Devendra, I
job
cannot see your
recommendation.
code.
Ma'am, this is my code.
I think your screen is stuck because I can only see the auth page of your project.
1 minute, ma'am.
So just reshare. Okay, now it is visible.
And my code is visible.
So
No, ma'am.
share your screen. Right now, you are not sharing your screen.
1 minute, ma'am. My screen is visible.
Just a minute,
Ma'am,
Devendra.
our code is
Auth page is visible right now.
ma'am, code is not visible.
Now it is visible.
Visible, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
go ahead.
I can. This is my user dashboard file, and in this file contains like job seeker hub and tab-based navigation bar, feeds, job recommendation updates, and jobs browser and apply to positions like message communication with recruiters, and I can also explain about the networking like professional connections and profile some information like profiles professional branding and resumes. And now we will explain about the recruiter dashboard. So recruiter dashboard. This is my recruiter dashboard code, and it contains a different type of slide bar navigation and mm, overview it over like analytic and quick stats and manage jobs like called operations for jobs posting and creating new jobs listening and process candidate submissions, profile like company information management. And technical help. Now we will discuss about the some important features of this project, like security and session management. And I can also provide the context-based authentication management system and auto rule-based redirections and state management. It contains React hook, use state effect, and use state for local state and context API like global authentication state management. And I can also provide the required parameters to tab persistence and deep linking local stores like members, active tab, and persistence. And User experience features like loading states, loading spinners and components during asynchronization operations. I can handle the error handled by comprehensive for validation and API error display, propagation displays, and there are responsive feedbacks like visible indicators for active state and interaction. And there are different type features and business values for job seekers. And Features enhance operations like a mobile app or AI. Uh, Sorry, features enhance opportunities like mobile app and AI matching, just like a smart job. They, uh, smart sorry Smart job candidate matching authentication. And Thank you, ma'am. This is all from my side, and I can call my project member like Shad. Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Shad.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next who will present?
Saad will
Shad.
present, ma'am.
Is he here? Okay. Yes,
Yes,
Sad.
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
your
visible.
screen is visible. But your voice is too low, Sad. Is it for me only, or everybody else is also not able to hear him clearly?
Yes, ma'am, it's too low. Shad, can you reshare the screen?
Hello. Hello. Is my voice clear now? Hello.
Yes, yes. Your voice is clear. Saad.
Ma'am, are you able to listen?
Yes, Sad. We can now start.
Okay. So I have worked on the user perspectives. After login, whatever this is, feeds, posts, jobs, or want to connect anybody. So the
Sad,
next
I'm
step
not
is
able to
create
hear you.
dashboard here. Hello.
Ma'am, I guess there is some network issue from the Saad end. May I continue with that code?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Saad, now you can just stop sharing screen. Okay. So from the Saad end, he has made the user dashboard. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. So Saad have assigned a task to, like, after the user login, we have a user dashboard. So on the user dashboard, we have like feed tab. So Saad have to work on that. He has like designed this whole feed tab, like whatever the job post we have doing on that, and loading that post. He has also assigned a load more post so that it can be like workable and functional. And now he has also made a job tab where we are fetching all the jobs has been posted from like use fetch from like recruiter end, and he here he can like apply just the jobs. And he have also added the pagination so that we can like just maintain the like good UI. And here he have also added a message tab where we are like adding chatting with the real time chatting with the users from the backend. And they have also applied the socket services. And in the network tab, he has maintained the building like making a connection request so that a person can connect with each other, and then they can like message each other. And this is the profile sidebar, which have been like storing a detail of the user, like a bit of detail, like how many connections are there and how many jobs application he has been applied. And in this same sections, like he have like only showing that profile name and profile users profile. And then he have also like resume status, is that uploaded or not. If it is has been uploaded, then it will show uploaded, or if not, it shows missing. So in the similar way, he have also designed a user tab profile. So we can like add on the profile update successfully. Like if, after login, he can add on their skills, experience, resume, and other sections too. So that's all from Saad. And now I'll like to call Rahul if he's
Yes. Hello,
Rahul.
Satyam. Am I audible?
Yes, you can. You are audible now. You can show your part.
So, hello everyone. Good evening to everyone. So, my part in the website is recruiter overview. So, firstly, I show you the recruiter part, how it's look and what are its functions. Satyam, can you confirm my screen is visible?
Yes,
Hello.
Rahul, it is visible.
Okay, let me go to the website part. So from here, as Devender has designed the login part, if we so my is recruiter part, as I sign up already to it, so I just have to go like already have account, and from here just to write details and just sign up. So here, so here you can see uh, the overview of the recruiter side, how it's look. So first of all, the overview part, it just so like stats, the total job, active job and application, and the applications I accepted and I denied. So here comes the manage job section. So here just I can delete the job, edit the job, and deactivate the job simply. So like just I explain you the add job section, how we can add a job. So for example, I add a job, uh, developer from engineering sector, just location Uttarakhand and full time. Select and just selecting the annual income and time by which applicant can apply. So now I can add the required skill that uh, I I can add here, like C++, web development. It is like here's the part where I want these skills from the applicant who want to apply in this job. In job section, I can simply add like candidate who interested in web development can join, and in recruitment section, I can simply like apply here a qualification, like a student should have a bachelor degree. Like I can write here uh, a bachelor bachelor degree in CS, and in benefit I can simply like say certificate, and like let it remain certificate and post the job. So let here I have write anything and post a job. So simply we can see here it has posted a job, and if we want to like edit it, we can edit it from here. Uh, if you want to delete it, we can simply delete it, and it will give us a alert, and we have to do OK, and it will delete us. So in view applications, it will show about the applicants who apply for this job. Simply it will show the details here of the applicants, his applied date, and we can also see the resume from here, as we can see. And now this is our profile. So if we want to like edit anything from here, we can simply edit it and save the change. So this is website part. Now I will show you the code part. So from add job, so uh, this JSX file will work for to add job. Like we can see there like developer, marketing, engineering. So we can apply it from here. The job we want to add, we can just give the job title. We can just add the qualifications and everything. We can do it from here. If we want to edit job, we can do by edit job.jsx. We simply, if we like to edit any job, we can like edit from here. And job management, yeah, like job management is the part from where we can manage the job, see the applicants who apply here. And in recruiter overview is the part where we can see all things as we see in the website. Like it shows us a welcome page, and these are the we can say container like total jobs, active job, total application. Uh, for now, it's like default for now, and it will change as like I will add job, applicants apply to it, and here comes the recruiter profile. As we see in the last, there is a recruiter profile. Uh, here are the containers like profile data, email, phone, company name. So this is like the profile of the recruiter side. He can also like edit it and like whatever he want to change in his website, he can do the changes. So this is from my side. Now over to you, Satyam.
Okay, now we'll move to the backend part. I would like to call Kanika for explaining its backend part.
Good evening again, everyone. Uh, on the backend, I and Satyam work together to create a robust backend. I will be presenting my code in a bit. Is my screen visible to everyone? So, okay, here for the backend of Global Connect, we followed the MVC pattern architecture, model view, and controller. Some of these files here are created by me, while the rest Satyam created. Uh, so, I will start with models because I created all these models. The models we have used models to define the structure, how the data is structured in the MongoDB. First up, we have connection.js model. It has the schema for it has the data schema for connections. It has all these entities such as type, reference, and required, etc. Then next up we have job.js, which contains all the schema related entities for the job section, including all the job description, salary, benefit, skills, etc. And then next up we have job application.js, which includes the schema for the job application. Next up we have message.js. Message.js contains the schema for the chat section of our application. It contains all the required fields such as who's the participants in the conversation, the last messages, last activity, uh, group name, group avatar, created by, and timestamps, etc. And next up we have post.js, which provides us the schema for the post feature of the application. It contains all the entities in the schema, such as the images, videos, links, content, author, comments, etc. And next up we have recruiter.js, which provides us the schema for the recruiter part in the application, where it contains the name of the recruiter, the email, password, his her role, the name of company, the description of company, the size of company, and the industry, and all the necessary details along with it. Next up, we have user.js, which contains the schema for user and mostly the job applicant. It has all the necessary details such as name, email, password, role, bio, profile, pic, resume, original name, resume uploaded data, experience, education, degree, etc. Next, I worked on the controllers. In the controllers, I worked on recruiter controller, recruiter auth controller.js, user auth controller.js, and user controller. The controllers we have used handles the business logic. They receive the request from the routes, interact with models, and send back the responses. Uh, Here in the user controller.js, it handles the user specific logic such as fetching the profile, updating info, connections. Example that this get user profile fetches the user by ID and populates related connections and job applications. Next up, we have recruiter controller.js that handles recruiter side logic such as the posting of jobs, viewing applicants, managing company profile, etc. And next up, we have user auth controller.js, which handles the registration, login, JWT token generation, password hashing for users, And next we have recruiter auth controller.js, which handles the same logics, same things for the recruiter, such as registration, login, JWT generation, and password hashing. Next, I worked on the routes. Um, in the routes, I worked on auth route, user auth route.js, user route.js, recruiter route.js, and recruiter auth route.js. The routes define the API endpoints here and map them to the uh, designated controller function. First, I will start with user route.js. Here, each of these routes uh, has 5 registered HTTP methods such as get, post, put, and delete. And the user route handles that logic for the user, including getting the user profile. It contains following uh, functions such as get user profile by ID, update user profile, upload profile picture, upload resume, delete resume, get all jobs, and more. It includes all the profile routes, resume routes, job application routes, connection routes, dashboard, and statistic routes. Next up, I have recruiter route.js, which handles the same logic for the recruiter as I explained in the user. It handles the job management, the dashboard stats, the application management, and all the profile, dashboard, job management routes for the recruiter. Next up, we have user auth route.js, which handles the public and protected routes such as the password and hashing, etc. for the user. And the recruiter auth route.js handles the same uh, thing for um, the recruiter, the login, sign up, and password hashing. It works together with middleware controllers. The rest of the backend is created by our teammate Satyam. So I will ask him to explain it. Thank you.
Okay, Kanika. Like I have already can okay. Since I have got all the models from the Kanika and also the path controllers and sign up and recruiter features from the Kanika, so my major task is to work on the user dashboard. So in the user dashboard, first function is like post controller where we have to like create post for having a create post, like we have like get feed post, whatever the posts have been created, it could be like featured in the get feed post so that we can see that. And here is the some interaction pages where we can like add a likes on the toggle like post. When we click on the like, it will increase the like count of a particular post. So in the similar way, like I have also worked on the connections request where we can send the particular person a connection request, and we also have the dismissing the connection request, but we don't add it in the feature right now. Now the major task was for me to create a message conversations for, because we have like also added a socket.io connections to build a real-time chats. Here it will like save the all the conversations in the database too. So now I'll just move to the some important part of the backend part where I have uses a cron scheduler which will help me to like invoke the backend which was deployed on the render so that it can't get into the sleep cycle mode. So this is what one of the best feature I have added. And I have added some middleware like we are authenticating the persons, like if it is a user or it is a recruiter. So it will help me to divide the sections for the job seeker and recruiter section. So these are the backend part which we have done. Like these are the route sections we have created for the conversations, and these are the post routes which we have work on the like create post. And also we have added a cloudnary for the profile pic upload and the post upload. We have also tried for the resume, but due to some reasons, I guess it was not working. So I have just created a local file where we are like uploading the resume so that we can see that. So that's all from us, ma'am. And can we just have to share the report too, or we just need to mail it?
Mail the report and send me also the report.
Okay, ma'am. On the
Just
mail
show
or
me a project, the live link.
okay, okay, ma'am. Just let me say.
I want to see whether you have done the feature of socket programming or not.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just first log in. Ma'am, since I have already logged in on other end of the Akhil, so I just try to message him. Let me. And now I'll just go to the other website so that I can show you Akhil, and I guess I need to update it. Okay, so I got the message from two conversations. Like Satyam has sent me the hello man and whatever. Like it will a real time chat. So yeah, it's the socket is working fine. Ma'am, does I need
Okay.
to show other feature too?
Yes, yes. The notification
Okay,
is
ma'am.
working.
Yes, ma'am. The message part on the message part we are seeing the number of message which I get. Like if I get the two message, it will pop up with two. Like
And you are able to post.
yes, ma'am. I am able to create a post. Like I'm also able to like add up photos and videos also, but yeah, with some short amount of photos and like KB. And in the also the I am working with the comment part, like it also working. And we can also like hit the like button. It will just update. Like since the render will work slow, then that's why the loading time is high. And here we can create the connections also. Like I can send anyone to connect so that if he or she can like accept it, then it will start helping you to drop the message to that person. And in the here in the profile sections we can like just upload resumes and all. Like let me just uploading the resume. So it got uploaded. Okay, yes ma'am, and now we can like see the resume also. This is what we have. Ma'am, does I
Okay,
need
good
to show
job.
you the okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Where this resume will
Ma'am,
be stored?
ma'am, for I have tried to store in the Cloudinary, but it will show it will upload, but it will not fetching from that. It will show the failed to load document. So for now, I have just added to the local repository, and it will
Okay,
like
okay.
work on the it store on the GitHub so that we can like literally fetch it 24 into 7 for now.
Okay, okay, fine. Just share me
Ma'am,
the report and the mail also.
on the mail, ma'am,
Yes, on the mail also.
few doubts are there. Like few members of the team have are saying ki they didn't deploy the fourth and fifth project. So did they get some time to deploy it and share the mail to you till tomorrow?
Okay, fine.
I will share the all the details of week 1 to week 6 project with the report file too in few minutes. Okay.
So do one thing. Whoever from your group has sent the mail, just share me the screenshot of that mail.
Okay, ma'am.
I will see.
Okay, ma'am. I'll share. I'll share. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. For group one members also, I will say if you have sent the mail, just share me the screenshot. I will check. Okay. Anybody is present from group one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, I'm saying that just send the mail and share me the screenshot only. I will check that.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So group 3 will be presenting on Monday. Group 4 is here. Prajwal, Shivu, Nikhil, Lakshay, Divyanshu and Tejasri. Are you all going to present today? Tejasri, you are here. Just let me know.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I audible? Actually, backend part is done, ma'am, but front end we still have some work to do. So can we do it on Monday?
Okay, fine. Fine, no problem. But do complete it by Monday only.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So anybody else who wants to present? Like we had one more group 6. Just a minute. Group 6, anybody is here? Okay, fine. Then we can now end this session. Anybody wants to ask something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Piyush?
Ma'am, those who are not presenting today, so can we send the mail on the Monday, like after presenting our presentation?
Yes, yes, sure. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we will meet Monday. And group 1 and group 2 members, everybody send the mail and share me the screenshot. I will check. And other group members, please present it by Monday only. Don't wait for the Tuesday because you might not get time for that for presentation, and that is not good. Okay, so now you all are allowed to leave the session. Thank you for being till the end. We will meet on Monday.
Ma'am, one doubt from group one.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have deployed the backend and frontend separately, so we have to send the backend and frontend URLs both.
Both. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Excuse ma'am, I'm Gaurav Kumar, like group one. Some problem is
Yes,
there.
Gaurav.
Ma'am, you can share your screenshot in chat box, ma'am. Yeah, like a group.
In the group.
What in the WhatsApp group, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Once it is necessary that you should be a part of, you should do your major project. Then only you will be eligible for your final certification. And if you are not the part of any group, so you have to complete a major project by your own. Yes, Shad? Shad, I'm not able to hear you. You can write in the chat box if you want to ask something. Fine, no problem. Whenever you meet, just share your screenshot in the chat box, in the WhatsApp group. I will check. Yes, no problem with that.
Ma'am, I've shared the screenshot in the group too.
Yes, yes, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything you want to ask? Ashish, Rishi, and Vansh?